Good evening. Okay, last class what you done? Please tell me. I think by parts I gave one formula to you. It's correct? No, it's not by parts. I think we have three different formulas. That formula I gave. Oh, okay. Okay, you kept that room. Okay. Uh, respond anyone? Is no one are responding? Anirudh? Anirudh? Anjali? Bhanu Prasad? Chirag? Danush? What happened? My voice is audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
I think board to full blur, I think. It's correct? Last class, what you done? 1 second, tell me. That last class, what we done? Once tell me there.
Sir, formula, sir.
Okay, I think first formula we
Integration
done.
root of x square plus a square dx.
Root of integration of root of 1 plus x square in by 9 into dx we done. It's correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer we got for that? 3x by 6 into root of 9 plus x square plus 3 log modulus of x plus root of 9 by x square plus c. 3 by 2 into. Correct or not? Oh, not visible anything. What happened this? I think now it's fine. It's okay. Once you can see the board now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now, next one, right? Prove that. Prove that. Prove that root of a square minus x square into dx equal to. Prove that integration of root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 into sine inverse of, okay, sorry, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square, root of a square minus x square plus sine inverse of a square by 2 into a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Prove that. Is the second formula, it's also more important to you. All of you should remember that. Prove that integration of root of a square minus x square into dx equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Sin inverse of x by a plus c. Here also same thing only. Just you can apply the by parts method. Same procedure. Now in this case, the f of x equal to directly can take here now root of a square minus x square, and g of x equal to can take here now 1. G of x equal to 1. Okay. Now integrate. So therefore, integration of root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to I think you know the by parts method. F of x into integration of g of x minus integration of f dash of x into integration of g of x into dx. We know the formula very well. So you can write now root of a square minus x square into integration of 1 into dx minus integration of d by dx of root of a square minus x square into integration of 1 into dx whole into dx. F of x into integration of g of x into dx minus integration of f dash of x into integration of g of x into dx whole into dx. Now you can find it. So root of a square minus x square, write as it is. Right now as it is. Integration of 1 equal to you can write now x here. Generally, this is you can take here now I. This is you can take here now I equal to you can take. Next, minus integration of differentiation of root of a square minus x square equal to you can write 1 by 2 into root of a square minus x square into minus 2x correct, into integration of x1 equal to x again whole into dx now you can write clearly that one. So it is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus, clearly you can take minus into minus equal to you can write plus here now. So integration of 2x square whole by, again 2 to also cancel now. So 2x square by root of a square minus x square into dx. Now again this one you can split it. One time you can add 1 and subtract 1. And plus 1 and minus 1 you can take. Also okay, plus a square minus a square you can take. Okay. So if you take the separately, so the value of I equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus integration of, we have to get a square minus x square we have to get. For that purpose, then what we have to do now, a square minus plus a square, if you take in plus here means a square is the positive. It's correct or not? Plus x square minus a square you can take. Okay, it's fine that. Whole by root of a square minus x square into dx. Now from the second term we have to get a square minus x square, means from this you can take minus common you can take. Take here now minus common you can take. Then everything will be possibilities. So you can write that. So x into root of a square minus x square plus, this is you can write separately now, integration of first one, if you take an minus common here, so first you can write separately a square by root of a square minus x square into dx. From these two terms if taken minus common here now, minus of integration of a square minus x square by root of a square minus x square into dx. I think clearly this term equal to will get I because you can do the rationalization. Already we done the last class also, we done the same thing. Last also we done now, same thing. In the same here also you can do that. The center value equal to will get I. And this one I can write as it is. So the value of I equal to, so the value of I equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus the integration of here a square is the constant you can take outside. A square you can take here now constant outside. And integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square. Please tell me. I think sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a minus when you can do the rationalization of this last term here now, then we'll get clearly root of a square minus x square will get. In here root of a square minus x square equal to I. So you can write now minus I. This minus I right is side now, it's become that I plus I equal to 2I equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a plus c. The 2 right is side now, the required answer will get. So x by 2 into the value of I equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. The required answer. Okay. Same whatever we done the previous, the same thing only we done here now. We are not doing any extra. Okay, f of x equal to same thing only, and g of x equal to you can take 1 because 1 into anything equal to will get the same, the number itself will get, and take separately. Then you can apply the integration. Then you can apply here now integration. Okay, all of just to copy clearly that. This is the second formula. Now by using second formula, then we will do the 2 more examples now. All of you got it? Proof of that? All of you got it, or any doubts are there in that? After coming once remind me, I'll give the question. Right now. Find the integration of square root of 5 minus x square plus 2x into dx. Root of 5 minus x square plus 2x into dx. Plus 2x into dx. Start now all of you. Find the integration of root of 5 minus x square plus 2x into dx. So first you can apply the completing square method. By apply completing square method, okay. You can apply the completing square method and find it. So suppose if you take it here now, the value of 5 minus x square plus 2x. 2x. Now from these two terms you can take minus common here now. 5 minus of x square minus 2x. X square minus 2x. 5 minus of x square minus 2x. Apply completing square method for this. I think you know very well that. So if you take a completing square method, clearly you will get this value that implies 5 minus. So x square minus 2ab. So 2 into 1 into x you can write. 2 into 1 into x plus 1 square. But anyhow plus 1 square not there. So minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. So now we can write clearly 5 minus of. From here to here, whatever is formula, a minus b whole square. So you can write x minus 1 whole square and minus of this value. So if you want, you can put the bracket here. And minus 1. Minus 1. So 5 minus of. Minus into plus equal to, you will get minus x minus 1 whole square. And minus into minus equal to, you get now plus 1. Plus 1. Now this value you can write 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 minus x minus 1 whole square. So this is equal, you can write now root 6 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. Mean the value of 5 minus x square plus 2x equal to root 6 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. So that completely can substitute in there now. Completely I can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of root of 5 minus x square plus 2x into dx is equal to integration of this one you can write now root of root 6 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square into dx. But we know very well that one. But when we are taking that one, it is a square minus x square. This is purely we have to get either x square or t square something we have to get. But this x minus 1 is there. So you can write now, put x minus 1 equal to t. Therefore, dx equal to dt. Clearly you will get now dx equal to dt. So both you can substitute in there now. So therefore, integration of root of the same thing you can write now. So root of root 6 whole square minus t square into dt. Now apply the formula. It is in the form of what is that root of a square minus x square equal to x by 2. So the value of x equal you can write now t by 2 into root of root 6 whole square minus t square plus a square by 2. The value of a equal to root 6 whole square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. That means t by root 6 plus c. Root 6 plus c. Now we can replace the t value. The value of t can replace. So the value of t equal to, we are taking x minus 1. So x minus 1 by 2 into root of, anyhow this value equal to, we got this one, right, as the same thing only 5 minus x square plus 2x plus 2x plus root 6 whole square equal to 6 by 2 into sine inverse of, this one I can write to x minus 1 by root 6 plus c. Plus c. 6 by 2, next step we can simplify it right now. 6 by 2 equal to 3. Then write the answer for that. X minus 1 by 2 into root of 5 minus x square minus plus 2x plus 3 into sine inverse of x minus 1 by root 6 plus c. By using the second formula. Now I'll give one small question to you. All of you can solve that. Right. Find integration of root of 1 minus 4x minus x square. Integration of root of 1 minus 4x minus x square. 4x minus x square into dx. Yes, all of you can try this question and you can tell me the answer to me. From last I will ask you, compulsory we have to say the answer. Because same model we know the formula. Integration of root of a square minus x square equal to dx equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. That is the formula we have. So by using the same formula, you can solve this. Like same method, same procedure also. Complete fast. But in examination, how to they'll ask means for essay question point of view, they never give like this, only one question. First they'll ask in examination, integrate root of either a square minus x square or x square minus a square in a square with respect to the x, and hence evaluate like these questions they'll ask in examination. Then we're completing both, then only we'll get full marks. Suppose simply just we done that one only one thing, but definitely we are not getting the full marks. Okay. Any question paper, either PU or it is the +2 also, they'll ask the question like this. Evaluate. Oh, no. First you can find integration. Find the integration of root of a square minus x square or x square minus a square with respect to the x. And hence evaluate integration of root of some other quadratic equation. Quadratic expression they'll give. Okay. All of you complete yourself and tell me answer.
Sir, x plus 2 by 2 root
X
of
plus
2 by 2
ah
root of 1 minus 4x minus x square
ah
plus 5 by 2 sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5 plus c.
plus c. Correct?
Yes, sir.
X plus 2 by 2 into root of 1 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 by 2 into sin inverse of x plus 2 by root 5 plus c.
Plus c.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this is the second formula it is. Now we can write all of your third formula. You take your own time and you can find it yourself only. Okay, this is the last concept in indefinite integrals. Third formula. Right now. Prove that root of x square minus a square into dx integration of is equal to x by 2 into Same formula, but in term like previous formula. X by 2 into root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square. Next, minus a square by 2 into minus a square by 2 into log modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, prove that integration of root of x square minus a square into dx equal to
Sir,
x
what
by
was
2
the
into
answer for the last question?
last one, this question,
Yes, sir.
this is x plus 2 by 2, x plus 2 by 2 into root of 4 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 by 2 into sin inverse of x plus 2 by root 5 plus c. Okay, hello ma'am. Ma'am. I'll send ma'am. I'll send. Okay. Right now, all of you wants the same procedure you can follow. Same method. Follow the same method. Same, just you can apply the by parts and you can do that. Same. F of x equal to root of x square minus a square and g of x equal to 1. Then you can solve it. So you will get clearly that root of x square minus a square into integration of 1 into dx is the value of I you can take minus integration of d by dx of root of x square minus a square into integration of 1 into dx into whole into dx here, whole into dx. Then I can take I equal to root of x square minus a square into integration of 1 equal to x minus. Again, differentiation of this value equal to, you will get 1 by 2 into root of x square minus a square into 2x into x into dx. Clearly here now 2 will be cancelled. 2 to cancel here. So it is equal to root of x square minus a square into x minus integration of x into x equal to x square by root of x square minus a square into dx. Same procedure. You can add and subtract a square. Add and you can subtract a square. Okay. and you can subtract a square, and you can write separately, then you can apply the integration for that. So the value of equal to root of x square minus a square into x minus integration of this value you can write now. Integration of x square minus a square plus a square whole by root of x square minus a square into dx. Now we can take separately again. It is equal to root of x square minus a square into x minus integration of, you can write now, x square minus a square by root of x square minus a square into dx plus integration of a square by root of x square minus a square into dx into dx. This is equal to, you will get I. That last one equal to, you will get a square is the common, no? Take outside from this. So I equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus plus into minus equal to minus only. Clearly, I am writing the direct step here now. The first term is I will get, and minus into plus equal to minus. So a square into integration of 1 by x square minus a square. So clearly we will get log modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. This I radial side needs to become the 2i. So 2i equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus the same the right now a square into log modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square, x square minus a square plus c. Then 2 also right this side now. Then we will get the required formula we will get. Okay. This is the third one. One is integration of root of x square plus a square into dx, one thing. And the integration of root of x square minus a square into dx is the second formula. And the integration of root of a square minus x square into dx is the third formula. All three formulas are more important to you. Definitely the last exam on for essay question. Okay. For PU means 5 marks, and plus 2 means the last for 6 marks. Or else for sometimes for plus 2 they last for 3 marks question. They last 3 marks question, but it is not, they won't ask any proof there. Directly they ask the question examination, just you can find integrate or evaluate integration of root of quadratic expression into dx. That's all. They'll ask for 3 marks question. With the proof means compulsory they'll ask for the 6 marks. But for PU students, 100% you will get from this model one problem in examination for 5 marks. 100%, no doubt at all. Okay. One problem you can write now. Integration of root of x square plus 3x into dx. Integration of root of x square plus 3x into dx. 3x into dx. Okay. Yes. Complete fast. I think I gave the x square plus 3x, but I gave the formula x square minus 3x. So I will change the question once. Okay, we'll come to that question. I'll give the one more. By in third formula. Integration of root of x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. This is we'll get this formula we'll get for second one. But the method will be same for everything. In exaggeration, suppose if they're asking square root of, that means integration of root of quadratic expression, always you can follow the same procedure. If they given either fraction form, integration of 1 by root of 1 by any one quadratic expression or 1 by root of quadratic expression, it's like that if they given means the previous standard formulas, I gave the 6 formulas to you on the time, that formulas we have to apply. Do this. Find it and tell me answer. Anyone got the answer?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I'm getting x plus 2 by 2 into root of
Ah.
x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square minus 3 by 2 log x plus 2 root
Hmm.
x square plus 3x plus c, sir.
Okay. How much? First one, no? 2x plus 3 by 4. 2x plus 3 by 4
Sir, I did
into
the second one.
second one. Ah. Then how much you got the answer second one, no?
Sir, x plus 2 by 2 into under root x square plus 4x plus 1
Ah.
minus 3 by 2 log mod of x plus 2
Ah. Plus
plus x square plus 4x
root
plus
of
1.
square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
C.
Ah. Fine. Correct only. And remaining? Got the answer? Kushi, got the answer?
No, sir, I'm still doing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when will you start application of integral, sir?
This is the today we'll complete the indifferent integrals, but still we have different integrals are there. Then we will do one thing.
Sir, I don't have different definite
Different
integral, sir, because the CBSE has removed it. So for this term exam, we don't have that.
Okay. So then after that one, just I will start the directly application of integrations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Later, but completely compulsory, we have to do the different integrals also. J means point of view. Suppose they removed from the CBSE also. Okay. But compulsory we have to do. So up to this concept, indifferent integrals.
So can you write that answer, sir? Only answer.
Only answer.
Yes, sir.
X plus 2 by 2. X plus 2 by 2 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square by 2 into, that means we'll get this value 3 by 2 into log modulus of sorry, x plus 2 plus the same thing right now, root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the answer for that.
Sir, for above one?
For this question,
Yes, sir.
then how much you got the answer? Tell me for that. 2x
Sir,
plus
2x plus 3
3
by
by
4
4
root
into
of x
root of
plus 3 by 2.
x square plus 3x. Okay, plus sorry minus
Sir, I didn't.
minus
Sir,
9
I
by
didn't
8.
like.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I didn't squared it, so it's fine.
Okay, it's fine that. Okay, 9 by 8 into log modulus of x plus 3 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 plus root of the same you can write now x square plus 3x plus c. Okay. This is for question of first one and this is for second one. All of you once you can try, nothing happened because it is the already we have formulas are there, the same formula as it is you can apply and definitely will get. Okay. Next one more you can write now, but it's not by using the okay the same formula will get later, but you can write now. Find the integration of x into cos inverse of x into dx. x into cos inverse of x into dx. Same thing here. Just you can apply the first by parts. You can apply. Later you can take here now. These above formulas we have to apply here now. So suppose you can take here now f of x equal to cos inverse of x and g of x equal to x, because this is for taking g of x where it's not possible, because integration of cos inverse of x we don't have any formula that. Now we can apply for that. So f of x into, that means you can write now cos inverse of x into integration of x into dx minus integration of d by dx of cos inverse of x into integration of x into dx, integration of x into dx whole into dx, whole into dx, whole into dx. Now we can find it. So that implies cos inverse of x right as it is only, and integration x equal to, you can write clearly that x square by 2 minus integration of a differentiation of cos inverse of x equal to, I think clearly minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into integration of x equal to x square by 2 whole into dx, whole into dx. So now we can write now. So x square by 2 into x square by 2 into cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of x minus integration of, this is the clearly minus into minus equal to, will get plus, minus into minus equal to will get plus here now. So this is the x square by 1 by 2 also you can take outside, 1 by 2 into, so x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now I think in the second part we got now, like previous formula it is. So x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integration of this one I can write now x square, here 1 is there now, 1 minus x square is there. So I can write clearly x square minus 1 plus 1 I can write, whole by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now I can take separately again. So x square by 2 into x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into, and this whole thing write separately. So integration of, suppose from these two terms if taken minus, so 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx one thing, and from this you can take minus common, will get clearly root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx. I hope all of you are understood this step now. Second step, how I am taking this. This you write separately. First 1 by I am taking 1 by, and from x square minus 1 I took common, minus common I am taking. So minus of integration of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay. Now you can write it. Anyhow, this is the clearly the value of I it is. I equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Tell me the formula. Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square. Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square. Please respond. How much? Sin inverse of x by n. So what is sin inverse now? X. Okay, sin inverse of x equal to, just will get only x only will get. Is correct now? Only x minus. This is clearly we will get now integration of by rational by can do the rationalization here. Root of 1 minus x square into dx only will get. And now in this place you can write I now. In this place you can write now I. So the value of I equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus So multiply this value. So 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x, sin inverse of x. So this is the minus I by 2, minus I by 2 plus c, minus I by 2 plus c. Now minus I by 2 can transfer to LHS side. Okay. Sorry, this is the I. How can you take I here now? I am taking I. Correct or not? Because what is our problem here? Our problem is the x into root cos inverse of x it is. So don't write this step here. That one also you can first you can expand that. A square minus x square formula I can apply. A square minus x square. So now I can write now I equal to x square by 2 into this is the cos inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x and plus into minus minus 1 by 2 into integration of root of a square minus. That means you can write now 1 square minus x square into dx. Now we can apply that. I equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x, sin inverse of x minus. What about this formula now? Integration of root of a square minus x square. Just now we done that. Integration of a square minus x square, square root of. Please tell me what is the formula we have for that? X by 2 into
Root of x square minus a square plus a
so
square.
minus 1 by 2 into x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square, correct? Plus sin inverse of x plus c. Sin inverse of x plus c now. So the value of I equal to you can write now clearly x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus this is you can write now 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x plus into minus equal to minus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square minus into plus equal to minus 1 by 2 into this is the sin inverse of x plus c. I think we got these two terms will be same. The two terms are same. You can cancel that. You can cancel and you can write. Somewhere we got 1 by 4. Where is the 1 by 4? Minus 1 by 4. The answer they given that x by 4. That is correct only. Write this one. I think
Sir,
somewhere
1 by 2 sin inverse x, no sir.
1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2 sin inverse x, correct only.
Inside the bracket.
Oh, here only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. 1 by 2. So this one will get now 1 by 4. I'm correct? Yes. Now these two you can simplify. Sin inverse x we are taking common. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. How much? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So the value of I equal to x square by 2 into cos inverse of x plus. Here you can take 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to 4 LCM. So 2 minus 1. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into sin inverse of x minus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus c. This is the final answer for that. Okay, the final answer. So the problem will be very small, but answer we got now, big one we got. Expanding that. This also same by using that formulas only, same like that. Okay, we'll do one more. X into integration of x into sin inverse of x. That is, you can try yourself, all of you. Integration of x into sin inverse of x into dx. Yes, try this question. You can tell me answer. Integration of x into sin inverse x into dx. Same procedure. This kind of questions, whatever we are getting, we can apply the same thing only. This is always f of x, this is g of x. X into cos inverse x, x into sin inverse x, x into tan inverse x, x into cot inverse x. Okay, so what are they asking? The inverse function you can take here now, a g of x, and the variable you can take as f of x. Sorry, x is the variable is the g of x, and inverse trigonometric function is they can take as f of x. Then I can follow the same method. Anyone got the answer? Anyone? The answer, if you want to answer, I'll give the answer to you. You can cross check later. X square by 2 into sin inverse of x, sin inverse of x plus x by 4 square root of 1 minus x square minus plus 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 sin inverse of x plus c. This is the answer for that. X square by 2 into sin inverse of x plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus 3 by 4 into sin inverse of x plus c. Anyone? Likita? Likita, you got the answer?
Sir, I'm still solving, sir.
Okay. In place of cos inverse x, then you will get here sin inverse x, because f of x into, and here the integration of differentiation to sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This will be same thing only. So here you will get, this is the minus only. In place of this, you can write sin inverse of x. Here also you can write sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x. This is clearly minus. So x square you can write the same procedure we have to write. Adding and subtract.
Sir,
So this is, you will get, this is the
sir,
minus.
I'm not getting 3 by 4 sin inverse x, sir.
3 by 4.
Sir, even me, sir.
I'm
not
getting
only
minus sin
that,
inverse x by 4, sir.
Okay, I will check it. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into same. So this also you can write now sin inverse of x into, sorry, sin inverse of x, sin inverse of x plus the minus here, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Integration of this one equals sin inverse x will be correct only, and minus this is, you will get like this, root of that value. Next, x square by 2 into sin inverse of x minus, because minus into plus equal to, you will get minus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x, and minus into minus equal to plus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus the same thing only we will get. So here you can write now sin inverse of, and this is minus, this is plus. Now we can simplify that. X square by 2 into sin inverse of x minus 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x, and plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square, and plus into plus equal to, will get plus only here now, 1 by 4 into sin inverse of x plus c. Now we can add both of them, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 2 LCM here. 2 LCM. So 1 minus 2. I think you got minus 1 by 2, na? Correct? Correct or no?
Yes, sir. I'm getting minus sin inverse x by
Minus 1
4.
by 2. This is minus 1 by 2 into sin inverse x.
Sir, LCM
Plus,
is 4, no, sir.
this is 4. 4.
Sir,
Minus 1 by
LCM,
4.
LCM.
Yes. Oh, here 4 means we have the same thing only 1 minus 2. So minus 1 by 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this also you can write now sin inverse. It's fine. Maybe that is the answer mistake there.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The inside value, this is the minus or plus there, no?
So I'm getting minus 3 by 4 sin inverse x.
That one I'm checking. Where you done the mistake there? There it's correct one. It's fine that. Minus into plus minus. And here also, is it possible to get positive value here? Yes. I think there it is the minus. Actually, in the formula itself, minus there. Correct? Minus 1 by 2 into integration of x square by. That is the mistake we done here. This is actually, if you take in cost means you will get minus 1 by.
Yes, sir.
But is the plus 1 in a?
Yes, sir.
What take it as it is? It's fine. So x 1 by 2 is the common we are taking, x square by the same thing, plus 1 and minus 1 we are taking. This is the positive, this is the minus. This is the negative means that will get minus 1 by 4 only. But minus 3 by 4. But minus 3 by 4 also we have to think about that. And remaining?
No, sir. Minus 1 by 4 itself.
Minus 1 by 4.
Even I got minus 1 by 4.
Yes. His answer will be wrong, it is. Yes, you can write.
Sir, maybe some symbol mistake.
Yes. Yes, correct only. You can write. One more I can write now. Yes. All of you once you can see in this problem only. And where you done the mistake means this is the integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And what is the differentiation of minus 2x here now? It's correct only, no? Correct. Again, no, but this is also we can't take this. Okay, fine. It will be, no, don't disturb that one. Yes, correct only. It will be correct.
So what is the answer given?
This only. But answer is given that minus 3 by 4. No, plus 3 by 4 is given. So 100% we are not getting plus 3 by 4. They given plus 3 by 4. In the book they given answer this, but this is not possible. 100%. Maybe some printing mistake. because we are taken the directly integration of differentiation of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square only, but we can't differentiate that. Yes, it's correct. Integration of x equal to x square by 2. Anyhow, in the problem itself, minus is there. Yes, we're taking the outside only. 1 by 2 common, x square by root of. It will be correct. And yes, already previous we're writing here now. From this we are taking minus, that one we are writing the second step. It will be the plus 1, taking as it is. Correct. Okay. Or else maybe once again, here only you can check it. From whole thing, if you take in minus means, then what will get, tell me? 1 minus x square minus 1. Is correct. From whole thing, we are taking the minus common means minus of 1 minus x square minus 1. Suppose this is we are taking the separately means this take minus outside you can take. You will get plus here. So plus into 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx one thing. And so this is the minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Again plus into minus equal to anyhow plus only. It's fine that. Correct. Don't change that because plus into minus equal to again minus only. Next. One problem you can write now. I think I hope you got the idea about it. Is the last 3 formulas. Some important questions you can write because I saw the previous question papers. I saw this one. Once you can write this question. Find integration of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 into dx. Integration of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 into dx. This kind of questions all of you should remember, that is the more important to you. But definitely we are not getting the idea, the starting, but when you are taking that one. So that idea also all of you should remember. Inside the bracket only they'll give the clue here now. X power n is there. That means compulsory here also we should get in terms of x power n something we have to get. That purpose, that too, suppose if you take the differentiation of this, the differentiation x power n equal to how much, tell me? What is substitution means? Please tell me. The differentiation of x power n.
n into x
Power n minus 1. But here now, suppose this first term equal to, we are taking the substitution means, but we got n into x power n minus 1. But the term compulsory we have to get in the numerator. But here it's not there. That's why immediately can write now, multiply and divide by, okay, x power n minus 1. X power n minus 1. Because for taking LCM, sorry, but by taking that substitution, for taking substitution. Now you can substitute in there, integration of 1 by, already I wrote very clearly, multiply and divide by x power n minus 1. So x power n minus 1, x power n minus 1 whole by x into, x right as it is only, or x power n minus 1 into x power n plus 1 into dx. Now you can simplify this value, integration of x power n minus 1 whole by a power m into a power n, this power is 1 it is. And base are equal, directly can add the powers. So n minus 1 plus 1 equal to clearly x power n into x power n plus 1 into dx. Now we can take substitution. So put x power n is equal to t. The differentiation this one equal to n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx now. dt by dx. Yes, so therefore that implies the value of dx is equal to dt by n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. So all you can substitute in there now. So integration of x power n minus 1 whole by the x power n equal, we are taking the t into t plus 1 into dt by n into x power n minus 1. So this will be cancelled. You can take here now 1 by n, you can take outside the constant value. 1 by n into integration of 1 by t into t plus 1 into dt. Now you can find the integration of that value. Now you can find now integration of that value. But here also for taking directly, I think we'll get confused also, but because that is the integration of that value we don't have. So we're multiplying both of them. 1 by t into t equal t square plus t. But integration of 1 by t square plus t equal to, we don't have any formula. So that purpose, then what we have to do means, first you can write separately. This previous, then how to we are taking, because based on the first term, here now t plus 1 is there. Here only 1 is there now. So you can add and subtract t now. So that implies 1 by n into integration of, so you can write now t plus 1 minus t whole by t into t plus 1 into dt. Same like previous. So 1 by n into integration of, write separately this value. So t plus 1 by t into t plus 1 minus t by t into t plus 1 whole into dt. Whole into dt. Clearly this will be cancelled and tt also cancel now. Tt also cancel. So that implies the value of the given problem equal to 1 by n into integration of, this is clearly can write 1 by t into dt first thing, and integration of 1 by t plus 1 into dt is the second thing. Okay. So integration of 1 by t equal to log modulus of t. One value will get. And the integration of, we have to get this second one. What is that? 1 by t plus 1 equal to how much? Log modulus of that same thing only. And integration of t quotient equal to 1 will get as it is. So 1 by n into, this is, you can write now log modulus of t minus log modulus of t plus 1 plus c. And log a minus log b equal to log of a by b. So you can write that value. So 1 by n into log modulus of t by t plus 1 plus c. The answer for that. Okay, maybe this kind of question is also important to you. The last examination by substitution method, because the intermediate integrals are already over. Okay, that's why I given these questions to you.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, can you explain from the 1 by n t plus 1?
1 by here.
Yes, sir. How did you get? I didn't understand that.
Here, what denominator t plus 1 is there, na?
Sir.
But numerator we have only 1 is there. But compulsory we have to simplify this one means, then what we have to do? Add and subtract t. Because already we done
Okay.
previous. Previous we got
Yes,
x square, we got means we're adding plus x, a square minus a square in the same way. And based on the denominator.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So write separately this term by whole denominator minus t by whole thing. And these two will be cancelled, tt also cancel. So 1 by into integration of 1 by t into dt minus integration of 1 by t plus 1 into dt. So integration of 1 by x equal to log x. We know that one. Right as it is. Okay. But maybe we'll get the confusion. Sir, here, okay, 1 by t means we take it directly, but here we got 1 by t plus 1. But 1 by t plus 1 equal to log modulus of t plus 1 and integration of that same thing. Then what will get this value? Okay. So anyhow, we'll get. Already yesterday, because 1 by t plus 1 equal to log modulus t plus 1 only. Already previously we done that. Integration of in partial fractions. Integration of 1 by x plus 1 equal log modulus of x plus 1. Already we done that. Partial fraction.
Sir,
You can write. Yes, tell me.
sir, how to know that with what I should multiply and divide in the starting of the question?
Starting, yes. Clearly, first you can see the given problem itself. This one I can see first. Because directly, suppose we are multiplying these two values, but we don't have any formula. I'm correct? Suppose we are taking the substitution here now. Let x power n equal to, suppose we are taking the t means, the differentiation of x power n equal to how much?
N into x power n.
N into x power n minus 1. But the term is there in the numerator?
No, sir.
It's not there. That's why I'm taking the substitution that one. That means that's why I multiply and divide by the same thing. What is that? X power n minus 1. X power n minus 1.
Sir, is there any other way to solve this question?
Other way means no. If they given that the n value equals some other numbers is given means maybe we will try. Okay, maybe we are converting into 1 by root of x square plus a square like this. But in this here the given n is given, but we can't do anything. So compulsory we have to do that. Okay. I'll give one more. One more question I'll give you. You'll do that. First to complete this. Integration of 1 by e power x minus 1 into dx. That means we have to think about that always, but we are not taking blindly. Even in this question also, suppose if taken e power x equal to substitution. Differentiation of e power x equal to e power x only, but we are not getting any changes. We are not getting any changes there. Again, we will get the same thing. E power x in the numerator we will get. So that purpose, then what we have to do means that the whole thing you can take as t. That means directly integration of 1 by t you will get. Integration of e power x minus 1 equal to again e power x only. Again e power x. So best way you can take like this. Means in place of suppose if taken e power x minus 1 equal to t means then easily you will get the value of e power x also you will get t plus 1. Okay, so that's you can take here now, put e power x minus 1 equal to some t. Differentiate that e power x equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. The value of dx equal to 1 by e power x into dt. 1 by e power x into dt. The same thing again you can substitute in there now. Substitute in there. So therefore, integration of 1 by e power x minus 1 into dx is equal to integration of 1 by the e power x minus 1 equal to we are taking t and the value of dx equal to dt by t plus e power x. E power x now. But again still we got now e power x. I think already we are taking the substitution e power x minus 1 equal to t we are taking. That implies the e power x equal to, you can write clearly t plus 1. E power x equal to, you can write now t plus 1. Substitute in there. So integration of 1 by t into, this is the dt by, you can write now t plus 1. So clearly you can write now 1 by t into t plus 1 into dt. So now we got the previous thing we got again. And this is already we done. Is correct? The same thing only now, but 1 by n is not there, but rest of thing will be same. Then I can follow that. As usual, you can add and subtract t, and I can do the same procedure. At last, you can replace t by e power x. The value of t equal to generally it is the e power x minus 1. Replace it. Then you will get. Okay. Now these are the indifferent integrals. Okay, tomorrow I think some students they have examination is there. So tomorrow we will start the application of integrations. Then after completing application of integrations, then some few classes we will do different integrals also, because maybe for examination point of view it's not there also. That is useful for competitive examinations. JEE means or KSET, and if writing some other examinations, CET and all those things more important to us. Okay, it's fine now. Now
Yes,
in
sir.
indifferent integrals, any doubts are there? Any concept? Please tell me.
Sir, can we do few question on this topic?
The same thing, huh?
Yes, sir. Taking x power n.
I'll give the
and
questions to
then-
you. We'll try once.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you can try it. Suppose you're not getting means I will teach you. Okay. And you do one thing now. Today, all of you once again go through the full chapter. This chapter up to independent integrals, whatever you done the concepts. Any method or any concept you have doubt is there. Tomorrow tell me. One more class we'll discuss about the integrations. Okay, this one. Later we are going to the application of integrations. Suppose you don't have any doubts, then tomorrow we'll start the application of integrations. Okay, the choice is yours. Take one more now. Integration of
I have my first exam as maths, sir, on 12th. So can we like start it tomorrow only?
tomorrow only. Okay,
Yes.
right. Integration of 1 by x into x square plus 1 into dx. Once you can try this question. Same model, same thing. Next, any other models here now? In this exercise also, these questions only they gave extra.
So we almost covered all the questions of R.D. Sharma, right?
All the questions, sir?
R.D. Sharma.
Yes, yes. That means all together. Not all the questions from R.D. Sharma. Maybe we'll get from the textbook. Understood now? And
Yes, R.D. Sharma consists of NCRT also.
Yes, yes. Textbook and as well as NCRT. It means okay, exemplar. NCRT exemplar are there now we have. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, NCRT exemplar. And along with that, it is the R.D. Sharma also. Means that's right. In R.D. Sharma, we'll cover almost all. One problem you can try.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the final answer for the question you gave, sir? Integration 1 by x.
This one, log modulus of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. For this question, log modulus of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. Okay. For this question answer, same procedure. Already previous problem we done that, but 1 by n it's not there. That is a little bit extra. Only just this problem you can once you can try it. And what is time now? 8:40 na? Okay. And all of you today, without wasting time, once you go through the complete concept, the integrations. Still any concept you have doubt is there means tomorrow tell me. After I came, I'll ask you. Once we'll discuss about that. Later we are going to the application of integrations. Application of integrations. Okay. It's fine now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Good night. Hello. Tell me. Yes, tell me. Yes. Are you submitted TC and all those things? Original TC? No. Why did not submit? Because today they told that only 8 members only are there in 9th class. Already date is over, but is tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow we have to submit to the RO office. I think Utresh, I think they kept to you 9th standard in 9th class. 8th standard it's not required. Oh, okay. 8th standard we have to submit the TC. Am I right? That is registration is not. You can submit to the school itself. Okay. TC and all those things. School. You do online now. No. Once I will go through the message and I'll tell you that. Okay. Again, tomorrow morning once call me.